Hello, my name's John and welcome along to my new YouTube channel. I'm a web designer and WordPress user, and I'll be posting videos about WordPress, how-tos and sort of general online tips and tricks, mainly aimed at beginners. You're going to learn how to create quick and easy but highly engaging websites on my channel. I'm going to be posting about twice a week. I'll also be sharing my journey on this platform too. So hopefully that's something that you'll like. If you do, then please hit the subscribe button. I've got a little resource pack as well, which would be great for beginners just starting out in the WordPress and sort of the web design world. If you want that, it's completely free. I'll drop a link for that in below. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you soon.